Hardwood flooring is a popular and timeless choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their flooring. However, there are several options to consider when it comes to hardwood flooring, including pre-finish and unfinished. In this blog post, we will take a closer look at both options and weigh the pros and cons of each. First one is pre-finished hardwood flooring. Pre-finished hardwood flooring is also known as factory finished flooring. This type of flooring is pre-sanded, stained, and coated with a finish at the factory before being delivered to the site of installation. Here are some of the pros and cons of pre-finished hardwood flooring. Pros. 1. Time saving. Since pre-finished hardwood flooring is already finished, it can be installed quickly, saving time on the installation process. Number 2. Durability. The finish applied at the factory is often more durable than a finish applied on site, making it less prone to scratches and dents. Number 3. Consistency. The finish of pre-finished hardwood flooring is applied in a controlled environment, ensuring a more consistent finish across the entire floor. Now the cons. Number 1. Limited customization. Pre-finished hardwood flooring is available in a limited number of colors and finishes. This means that the homeowner may have to settle for a finish or color that is not their first choice. Number 2. Visible seams. The boards in pre-finished hardwood flooring are joined together with a tongue and groove system. This can create visible seams between the boards that may not be desirable for some homeowners. Number 3. Difficulty in refinishing. Since pre-finished hardwood flooring already has a finish, it can be more difficult to refinish. This can limit the ability to change the color or finish in the future. Now, second is unfinished hardwood flooring. Unfinished hardwood flooring, also known as side finish flooring, is installed and then sanded, stained, and finished on site. Now, here are some of the pros and cons of unfinished hardwood flooring. Number 1. Customization. Unfinished hardwood flooring can be customized to the homeowner's preference in terms of color and finish. Number 2. Smooth, seamless finish. With unfinished hardwood flooring, the boards are sanded and finished after installation, creating a smooth and seamless finish without visible seams. Number 3. Refinishing flexibility. Since unfinished hardwood flooring does not have a finish, it can be sanded and refinished multiple times, giving the homeowners flexibility to change the color or finish of the flooring in the future. Now, the cons of unfinished hardwood floorings are 1. Longer installation process. Unfinished hardwood flooring takes longer to install since the sanding, staining, and finishing must be done on site. Number 2. Prone to scratches and dents. Unfinished hardwood flooring is more prone to scratches and dents since it's not finished until after installation. Number 3. Inconsistent finish. The finish on unfinished hardwood flooring can be inconsistent since it is applied on site and may be affected by humidity and temperature. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing between pre-finished and unfinished hardwood flooring, the homeowners must consider the trade-offs between customization and convenience. Pre-finished hardwood flooring is a good choice for those who value convenience, durability, and consistency, while unfinished hardwood flooring is better suited for those who value customization and refinishing flexibility. Ultimately, the choice comes down to personal preference, budget, and the specific needs of each homeowner. Now, we know how a flooring project is a huge undertaking for you and can be very expensive. But if you're not in a rush, I encourage you to shop around and then check us out. We're factory direct retailer, so our hardwood prices are guaranteed cheaper than any other retailer. We import the materials ourselves, passing along the savings to you. We have pro installers with 15 plus years of experience at your service. Should you have any further questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.